What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna tell you to get this book. If you guys are trying to build a PC, because I am getting a PC, I recommend you get this book. Build your own gaming PC. It'll give you tips and tricks to how to build a PC, and I'm very excited that I am getting my PC, and I will be making a video on it. Build your own gaming PC. It's a PC book. It says it's like there's Fortnite, there's COD, there's yeah, basically it's like it shows you all of the parts. Yes, I recommend you guys get this book if y'all be on PC, because I am getting a PC. Here are the motherboards, the the memory, the CPU. So sorry about that. The graphics card, and my PC is gonna be a beast. I'm gonna get like 240 frames and 240 AZ monitor. It's gonna be a very sick setup. It's gonna be very insane. Here are the cases. The so yeah, I recommend you guys get this book.